Hi guys, I will show you 4 exercise for 6-pack abs. Do this 4 exercise daily and see result after 15 days on mirror. Let's begin. First exercise is Flutter Kicks. In this exercise your back and hand should flat on floor, your leg should slightly upward, then quickly move your right leg up and left leg down. This exercise has more effect on lower abs. Second exercise is lying toe touch. You have to lying down on the ground with feet straight on the air, then arms up and touch toes. If you can't able to touch toes, trying the best you can, and every time you do this you will able to a little bit higher. Third exercise is dead bug. Lying down on your back and your hands and hips should both at 90-degree angle. Then lowering the right hand and extend the left leg. Then return to start position and do same to other hand and leg. Keep your core tight throughout the motion. Fourth exercise is knee rise side jabs. First you have to stand and fold your hands, then rise your left leg upward and move your right hand over the left leg, and then return to start position. Then do same to other hand and leg. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.